In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products in Klaviyo. We'll walk through the entire process of pulling products from your Shopify store into a Klaviyo email campaign, so you can showcase items directly in your emails without having to manually upload images and links. Start by heading to your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Integrations. This is where Klaviyo connects to your e-commerce platforms and other tools. In the My Apps section, check that Shopify is already connected. If you don't see Shopify there, click on Explore Apps, search for Shopify, and follow the prompts to connect it. The setup is straightforward, and it's essential because Klaviyo will pull your product data from Shopify for the email. When Shopify is connected, go back to the left-hand menu and click on Campaigns. This is where you create your email broadcasts. Choose the option that says Build Your Own. This lets you start from a blank or basic template rather than a pre-built promotional layout. After selecting that, click Continue to move into the campaign setup. Next, you'll choose who receives this email. Click on Select Audience, then select a list or segment. From the list that appears, click on the specific list or segment you want to target, such as your main newsletter list or a segment of engaged customers. Once that's selected, click Save and Return to lock in your audience and go back to the main campaign view. Now it's time to build the actual email. Click on Add Message, then choose Email as the channel. Klaviyo will prompt you to set up the content, so click on Create to open the email editor. Inside the editor, you'll see different content blocks you can drag into your email. Find the block labeled Product, then click and drag it into your email layout where you want the products to appear. To keep full control over which items are shown, select the static option. This lets you manually choose the exact products instead of relying on automatic recommendations. Click on Add Products. A panel will open with products pulled in from your Shopify store. Browse or search, then click on the specific products you want to feature in this email. When you're happy with your selection, click Add Products again to insert them into the email. From here, you can adjust the layout, text, and styling. But the products from Shopify are now successful.